In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give others access to preview Microsoft Forms in just 5 minutes. This can be especially useful for collaboration with colleagues or sharing a project with clients. Now, let's dive in. To get started, you'll first need to open your web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can just type it into your search bar, and it should be one of the first results. Click on the link to open the Microsoft Forms website. If you've used Microsoft Office or Office 365 before, this interface will feel familiar. Once you're on the home page of Microsoft Forms, you'll need to sign in. Use your existing Microsoft account credentials. If for some reason you haven't signed up yet, you'll want to create an account. That's something you can easily do by clicking on the Sign Up option and following the prompts. But assuming you already have an account, signing in will give you access to all your existing forms and the ability to create new ones. After signing in, you'll be on the dashboard, where all your forms are displayed. From here, locate and open the specific form you want to grant others access to preview. Simply click on the form's title, and it will open up for you to view and edit. Once the form is opened, look for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This icon is typically located at the top of the page. It's sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots, and a menu will appear. In the menu, you should see an option that says Collaborate or Duplicate. Go ahead and click on this option. It allows you to provide others with access, either for collaboration or just to let them duplicate the form. Now you'll see a button that says Copy. By clicking this, you will copy the unique link to your clipboard. This link is what you'll share with others to give them access. Simply send this link to the people you want to preview your form. You could do this via email, a messaging app, or any way you generally share links. When the recipients open the link you have shared, they will see an option to duplicate the form. This feature allows them to make their own copy, granting them full preview access without altering your original form. It's a straightforward and efficient way to collaborate and gather feedback without risking your initial work. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to give others access to preview your Microsoft Forms. Whether for feedback or collaboration, these steps will help you work more efficiently with your team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.